Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is expanded widget and what are the properties in it. So let me add a property called body, and inside that I'm going to add a widget called row. So within this row widget I'm going to add some containers. So let me use a property called children to add list of widgets. So widget within the square brackets, let me add containers. So I'm going to copy this and paste it twice. Okay, and within this container I'm going to add some properties. So let me run this and show you what happens. So you can see nothing here. So we need to add some properties in these containers. So let me add a padding property, edge inserts dot all, and I'm going to give 20 pixels. Okay, and let me add another property called color. So colors dot. So I'm going to add a red color and some text within this container. So I'm going to add a property called child and text widget. Within this text widget I'm going to add a text hello 1. Okay, so let me copy these properties. First let me show you. And you got this container. Let me copy this and paste in this container. I'm going to paste in the last one. So okay, now I'm going to change its values. Let me change its color to blue and its value to hello 2 and change this to green and hello 3, and let me save and run this. So see, all the containers have grouped at the left side. So if you want to make these 3 containers to use all the available space equally or some portions, then go for expanded widget. So here I am going to wrap this container in expanded widget. So click on this and click on this actions menu and select grab with widget and replace its name with expanded. So this container have wrapped with expanded widget. So I am going to wrap the next 2 also. So expanded. Okay, so let me show you. So you can see all the widgets have spaced equally. So next I'm going to show you a property in expanded widget which is called flex property. Add a flex property inside expanded widget. So here I am going to give a value 3 and here I am going to give a value 2 and use a flex property, and I am going to give a value 1 and save this. So all the widgets have portioned with some values like 3, 2 and 1, and this flex property is nothing but portions of width. So let me change this to 1. So in all the widgets the flex value is 1. Let me save this and see all the widgets have divided or portioned equally. For example, let me change this to 2. The size of widget will not increase, but they will share equally. So totally here are 6 parts. Each widget have portioned with 2 parts. Okay, I hope you could understand. So the value of all the widgets is 6, but each widget contains 2 values. Okay, and let me delete this property and let me show you one thing in that. So here I have deleted all the flex properties and I'm going to delete this expanded widget for the third container. So if I add some text, so I'm going to add some large text here. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it again and again. So here if let me save and run this. Now you can see here some text overflow. So at the right you can see right overflow by some pixels. To overcome this, I am going to wrap this container in expanded widget. Let's see what happens if I do. So I'm going to wrap this in expanded widget and let me save and run this. So you can see even it is a large text, so it is wrapped inside the container only. So if you hit on control space, you can see some properties like flex and key. You can do experiment on key property. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like.